changes can be brought to auto repair shops after using the F6 system. Learn in 3 minutes about service process of intelligent auto repair shops. The auto repair shop uses the system to automatically and intelligently generate posters and videos, which are sent to widget movement, customer groups, and shop video platforms with just one touch, so that more car owners can know and learn about the auto repair shop. Choosing a template to quickly create a customer gathering event. Auto repair shops can accurately select target customer groups to send event notices. Car owners can click to register and make a quick appointment. At the same time, SA receives an appointment reminder. Car owners can continue to forward it to his own widget moment, widget groups, etc. For a successful recommendation, the car owner receives a bonus for expanding customer, which is transferred to the car owner's account instantly. When the car arrives at the auto repair shop, SA scans the license plate to receive the car with a one-touch and quickly checks the owner's vehicle information. After a brief understanding of the car's condition, SA uploads the dashboard snapshot, car surrounding view, etc. to the preliminary inspection form. The system recommends service items, parts and products based on information such as vehicle model, mileage, and inventory, and displays quotations. After the car owner's confirmation, the work order is created with a one-touch and the task is assigned. Technician conducts a full vehicle inspection based on professional inspection template. Synchronize the inspection report online to the car owner, allowing the owner to have a better understanding of his car conditions. SA confirms the inspection report with the car owner. Items that are not currently included in the maintenance will be added to the business opportunity management, while items that require urgent repairs will be added to the work order. The technician receives a task assignment reminder and scans the code and picks materials to prepare for construction. During the maintenance process, the technician can view operation instructions through the F6 Technician platform, making it easy to handle even difficult car models. The technician confirms completion after the maintenance and quality inspection are completed. Upon receiving the completion reminder on WeChat, the car owner can make the payment directly on the phone. SA can also initiate payment collection through the F6 Enterprise wallet, which is convenient and secure. The work orders and bills correspond one by one, without the need for account checking. SA can invite the car owner to give a service rating, remind the owner to follow the auto repair shop's WeChat official account, and view the maintenance record at any time. Before the next maintenance or business opportunity expires, the F6 Intelligent Reminder can help the auto repair shop automatically send a message to invite the car owner to visit the shop again. The system has dozens of built-in performance assessment templates for positions such as SA, Technician, and Shop Manager. After maintenance is completed, the performance of each employee is automatically calculated. Employees can view their personal performance on their own mobile phones and get motivated to work harder. Through operating statement, bosses can grasp auto repair shop indicators such as revenue, gross margin, and vehicle number in real time, conduct in-depth analysis of customers, and optimize business strategies. F6 is suitable for various types of large, medium, and small-sized stores, such as one-stop maintenance, comprehensive maintenance, fast repair, car washing and automotive detailing, and car film. It supports multiple modes such as single store, direct chain, and franchise chain, and provides maintenance enterprises with a comprehensive assistance in digital and intelligent operation. F6, the digital and intelligent builder of automotive aftermarket.